The Evolution Remote Control is the key to unlocking the full potential of your Infinity Evolution massage chair. By the end of this video, you will better understand the different settings, modes, and layout of the remote, as well as how to customize and save your own massage program. Begin by activating your remote. Just push the power button. From here, the remote can take us in a few different directions. If you want to just jump in and relax, you can hit the auto button. This brings up a menu that has 8 options. Navigate to one of these using the directional pad. There are Sports Refresh, Extension, Rest and Sleep, Working Relief, Neck and Shoulder, Waist and Spine, and then 2 custom programs. To select one of these programs, just hit OK on the directional pad. While you're in one of the automated massage programs, pressing the OK button on the directional pad will put the chair into zero gravity. Pressing the up and down will adjust the mechanism speed. Pressing left and right will adjust the airbag intensity. In the list of auto programs, if you scroll to the bottom, you can select My Massage 1 or 2. If you select one of these by hitting the OK button, you can either run the saved massage or save the current massage. On the remote is a button marked 3D. While in an auto program or in manual mode, pushing the 3D button will change the intensity. Use a lower intensity for a light tissue massage, or a higher intensity for a deep tissue massage. Around the 3D button, there are 3 sets of adjustment buttons for the backrest or footrest. Holding down the feet up button will raise the footrest, and holding down the feet down button lowers the footrest. You can adjust the backrest just like the footrest. Holding down the up or down button reclines the chair or brings the chair to an upright position. The last of these buttons is the leg rest extend and the leg rest retract. Holding down the leg rest extend button will extend the leg rest. Holding down the leg rest retract button will retract the leg rest. There's one more set of buttons on this remote. There's the shoulder position and adjustment buttons. While in one of the auto programs, this is used to adjust the shoulder position after the body scan. Let's explore the other functions of the chair. Press the menu button. On the menu screen, you'll see 7 items: Auto, Manual, 3D Massage, Ionizer, Airbag, Heat, and Settings. It is very easy to navigate through this menu. Just use the directional pad to navigate the menu and press OK to select an item. We're going to start from the top and work our way down. The first option is Auto. This brings up the Auto menu we saw when we pushed the Auto button earlier. So let's move on to the next part of the menu. Going back to the top menu, select Manual. This brings up the Manual menu. Here we can adjust 6 options: Mode, Part, Width, Speed, Roller, and Zero. Let's select Mode. These are the different techniques of massage that the chair offers. As you can see, there are 5 options: kneading, tapping, knocking, shiatsu, and sink. Try each one of them and see which one you enjoy most. Now with the type of massage selected, let's select Part. Here you have 3 options: whole, partial, and point. If you select whole, that sets the rollers to use the entire L-track of the massage chair. That sends the rollers from your neck all the way down to your glutes. For a more focused massage, select partial. This setting moves the rollers in a 6 to 8 inch section where they currently are on the L-track. If you need an even more focused massage, the point option will allow you to move the rollers to any specific part of the body on the track. When you select point, return to the display screen. From here, you can see where the rollers are on the track. Pressing the position adjustment buttons will move the rollers up or down along the L-track to the desired position. Returning to the manual menu, there are 4 more settings to adjust. To change the width of the rollers, simply select Width and you'll see 3 options: Wide, Medium, and Narrow. If you want to change the speed of the rollers in the L-track, you can do that by selecting Speed on the menu. Here we have 6 speed settings, 1 being the slowest and 6 being the fastest. To change the speed of the rollers in calf massage, select Roller, and the available speed options are 1, 2, 3, and off. 1 being the slowest, and 3 being the fastest. Now to bring the chair to a zero gravity position, select Zero in the manual menu. Here you can turn the zero gravity features on or off. Now we've gone over a lot. This is the bulk of how to customize your chair. But back under the main menu, we have some features that really set this chair apart. In the main menu, select 3D Massage. As we've mentioned, this is a 3D massage chair, which means you have control over how deep the rollers massage you. In the Mode function, we have 3 programs to really show the most of the 3D features. There is Deep Shiatsu, which is a 10-minute deep tissue back massage, Healthy Breath, a 5-minute massage that features a rhythm for breathing in and out, and Massage Extend, which is a 5-minute extension program. To change the intensity of the 3D massage, you can adjust the force in the force option in the menu. Here there are 5 settings, 1 being light tissue and 5 being more deep tissue. Adjust this till you find a setting that is suitable for you. Just like in the manual settings, you can adjust the area that is being massaged. Select Part in the menu. Then, just like in the manual menu, you can choose between a whole body massage, a partial massage that will massage you in a 6 to 8 inch area where the rollers currently are, or you can select Point. When you return to the main screen, you can adjust the rollers with the position adjustment buttons on the remote. Returning to the main menu, you can turn on the built-in air ionizer. To do this, select Ionizer, then you'll be able to turn it on or off. It's great to turn this on and remove airborne debris such as pet dander, dust, and pollen. Improve your mood and wellness with this function. Another air-related function are the airbag controls. This allows you to get a great compression massage. To customize these functions, return to the main menu and select Airbag. Next, you'll see 2 options. These are Part and Force. Let's select Part. This will allow you to choose between 5 options: full, arm and shoulder, back and waist, leg and foot, and buttock. To select one of these, navigate to it with a directional pad and press OK. Once you have a setting chosen for the position of the airbag massage you've selected, you can change the intensity by choosing Force. Then you'll have 6 options, 1 through 5 and off. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. Then, if you select Off, you can turn the airbags off entirely. With the airbag set to your desired intensity, let's bring the heat. Select Heat. From here, you'll be able to turn the lumbar heat on or off. Once the desired setting for lumbar heat is selected, there are just a few more options to fully customize your massage. Back in the main menu, select Setting. There are 4 more options for the chair: Time, Language, Bluetooth, and Voice. Select Time. Here you'll see 3 choices: 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Keep this setting in mind when creating a custom massage. Next is Language. The chair has 2 different language settings to choose from: Chinese and English. Next is Bluetooth. You can turn on the Bluetooth settings on or off. To connect your phone to the chair, this setting will need to be turned on. Last but not least, you can turn on or off Voice Command by selecting Voice. With the voice commands on, either touch the button on the left speaker and say the desired command like Activate Massage, or simply say Switch to voice mode and then state your desired command. The full list of voice commands can be found in your manual. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the Infinity Evolution remote control, you can enjoy your Evolution massage chair fully and truly maximize your massages. Experiment with your chair to better understand the settings and create a custom massage just for you that you can save and use when desired. Enjoy your chair, and thank you for being part of the Infinity family.